Abhilasha and thank you for selecting this video. It's raining outside, so I have used an umbrella for rainy season. Yes friends, today's topic is all about coordinating conjunction. Here I have used the word for. I used an umbrella for rainy season. Friends, as I told you, please start speaking English at your home, in your day-to-day life, so that you will be more confident to use these words in your daily routine, at your workplace, at your home, with kids, with your parents. Please start using these words. Friends, today I am going to tell you about coordinating conjunctions. Here I have 7 coordinating conjunction: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. First, you should know about the meaning. What is the actually meaning of coordinating conjunction? Friends, as the name denoting coordination means to join the words, to join the sentence together. Let's start. Coordinating conjunctions join two sentences or phrases or any sentence together, like for. First I have for. This we use for reason. If you are telling a reason for something, you have to use the word for. We use an umbrella for rainy season. This is the first sentence which I have used in the starting. We use an umbrella for rainy season. Because of rainy season, we use an umbrella. Let's see the next one. And. It is the addition. We use the word and when we want to add something else, like you and me, tomato and onion. So Ram and Sita will attend the party. So here there are two persons is going to attend the party. So here it is, we add and for addition when we want to add something. The next one I have nor, not. It is the meaning of not. We use the word nor for negative sentence, only for negative sentence. Example, my mom does not get angry, nor does my papa. My mom does not get angry. It is my mother's nature then that she doesn't get angry, nor does my father. So here it is, we used it for negative sentence. But contrast situation. When there is a contrast situation, we use the word but. He is rich but humble. Generally, it is the general thinking of person that if anybody is rich, so he or she is not be humble. But here it is the contraction, it is the contrast. He is rich but humble. He talks politely and he is humble. So here we use the word but for contrast situation. The next one I have or. We use the word or for options. When we have some options, you can remember this thing for examination. In the examination hall, we get the paper, question paper, we have the choice. Sometimes we get the choice of 2 questions. You can do 1 or 2nd. So here when we have option, we use the word or. You can use in example, be there on time or you will miss the bus. So here it is the option be there on time. Please be on time or you will miss the bus. So here it is the option. The next one I have yet. It is for outcome. You can say it is again contrast situation. Let's see. In the example, I was upset with my mom, yet I helped her. So here I was upset with my mom. Last night I had an argument with my mother, so I was upset with my mom, but yet I helped her in cooking. So here it is the contrast situation. The last one I have so. We use the word so for result. I had not done my work, so I apologized. Here it is the reason I had not done my work, so I apologized. It is the result I apologized. It is the reason for. It is the result of this reason. This is the reason. I had not done my work, so I apologized. So friends, one more thing I want to tell you. For using these words, for keep remember, for remind these words, you can use the word fanboys. Fan boys. You can keep remember by this word. You can keep remember coordinating conjunctions with the word fanboys. For, and, nor, but, yet, or, yet, so. So these are the 7 coordinating conjunction. Friends, it brings me to the end of the lesson today. I hope you enjoy my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. If you have any query, please write me on comment box. I will come soon with the next lesson. Till then, bye-bye.